Rialto Emozioni is a water-based acrylic finish for interior spaces, a product included in Rialto Casarmonia product line. The application is fast and easy, allowing to obtain an elegant metallic and pearlescent effect in 2 easy steps. Rialto Emozioni is available in 1-liter pails, in a base color that can be tinted with Rialto Tinting System First 1. To obtain the best chromatic result and to grant a good adhesion to the support, prepare the wall by applying a specific base coat for this cycle, Rialto Contatto. Dilute Rialto Contatto with 20% clean water and apply a coat of product with a medium power roller or a paintbrush on clean and dry surfaces. Proceed with the application of the decorative finishing coat after 48 hours. Rialto Emozioni is usually ready to use. If necessary, dilute with 3 to 5% clean water. A brief mixing is necessary to make the product homogeneous. Apply then the product with a spalter brush. Proceed distributing a considerable amount of product with the same direction brush strokes, carefully repeating a continuous and uniform movement. While the product is still fresh and workable, brush again with a clean brush using the same technique. This last step defines the final design of the surface. These final strokes will emphasize the elegant sandy aspect. The obtained texture will give value to the space with its metallic and pearlescent reflections.